So in this video, I'm going to talk about the market and show you a very easy way you can make millions of coins in FIFA Mobile 22. So make sure to like and subscribe if you are excited for it. Before getting into it, we obviously got the new exchange, which is 107 overall Larsson, Henrik Larsson. Let me know down in the comment section if you have completed him already. I haven't done it and I don't really think I will. Is it worth it for me? Not really, because I've got Alvarez, 108 overall Alvarez, Team League Tournament player up front. Obviously, I can sell Alvarez and get Larsson, but Larsson is tradable as well. I think he's not gonna be that expensive. I don't think. But we need 100 plus overall players, 3 of them for this, and 95 plus overall players. As I said, let me know down in the comment section if you've done him. I haven't done him, and I don't really think I'm gonna do him yet. And then we've got the Prime Icon Nesta as well. Where we got a chance to pack him less than 1%, and obviously Verratti, those two were already there. We got the new icon as well, new star pass, secondary star pass, where we can get 106 overall Barella if you buy it, of course. As well as in the store, we've got, as I said, a new icon, step up offers. We got 106 overall Ibrahimovic. First of all, you can go ahead and get him. If you probably got enough gems to get him if you want to. I wouldn't suggest it. I don't think it's worth it to get that 106 overall Ibrahimovic, but if you really want to, you can go ahead and get him. But you obviously got the chance to pack 107 overall Paolo Maldini as well from this. Great card for Paolo Maldini, but more likely than not, you're not gonna pack him until you go up to here, where you're gonna get him guaranteed. Here, what's the chance? Only 3% chance. So yeah, you probably need to spend a lot of gems or FIFA points to go out and get that card. We obviously got the training transfer item refreshed as well and all that. But a very easy way you can go ahead and make millions of coins is actually buy silver and some bronze players. First of all, if you got some of the National Heroes players, obviously if you are not going to use them for the exchanges, I would suggest you to list them. Like for example, I've got this 90 overall Teno. And he's 800,000 coins because of the exchanges. He's going up in price, and I'm definitely gonna list those cards. Daniel, I got 2 of him, and I'm gonna list both of them. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna do it later on after the video, but I would list them if you are not using them for the exchanges, as well as all the high overall cards that you got. Make sure to list them as well. Like I've got Zimmerman right there. Obviously, they've got 999 plus listings, but at some point they are gonna sell. At some point they are 100% gonna sell. So William Carvalho as well, not 100%, but most likely they're gonna sell. I've got some of the 99 overall players, 100 overall players as well. 101 Kim Min Jae right there. We can go ahead and make coins with that, of course. But with the silver players as well, if you go ahead and take a look at the 69 overall players, for example, some of these cards, I checked some of my players, some of my cards, and some of them are worth a lot more coins than I thought they would. For example, I've got this Emreli guy right there who is worth 400,000 coins. I'm gonna go ahead and try to sell him, of course. And make sure to check your silver players as well, because some overalls, like 69 overall players, for example, are worth a lot right now. Now 68 overalls, not really that much. 10k is even decent for a silver, but they're not really worth that much. We've got 67s though. I got Elias Alcomach Chaco. I don't know how to pronounce his name, from Barcelona, who is worth 24 million coins as well. No, 24,000 coins, sorry. 88,000 for 67 overall. Armenian guy. We've got some others as well. When we go lower down there, 13,000 coins even is not bad. But yeah, some of these cards for some reason are worth a lot of coins. 190,000 coins for Ginzo, Atletico Madrid player right there. I already sold some of my silver players off camera. We've got this card as well, who is 38,000 coins. I sold some of them already, and I'm gonna continue to try to sell them as well, because it's just easy coins, right? It's just easy coins. You probably got a lot of silver players already and bronze players, because we've had some events where we were getting some of them. And if you haven't used them to train your players recently, then you probably got a lot, so you can go ahead and try to sell them. I've got all these 69 overall cards that are worth a lot of coins. One right there as well, and even 9.8k, 9.7k. I'll take that for a silver, right? 9k even. I'll take that, but some of them are genuinely so expensive for absolutely no reason, for me at least. 26,000 coins for Adam. here we go. I'm gonna list him up as well. Obviously, only like 20,000 coins is not that much, but when you sell a lot of these cards, it's gonna add up, right? It's gonna add up, and some of them are 100k, some of them are 400k when we saw on here right there. So yeah, that's very crazy indeed. 11k, even some of them 88,000 coins. 100% gonna list that card as well. Let's go ahead and check out some of the bronzes as well, because I'm pretty sure I sold some of my bronze players for like 200,000 coins, something like that. Right now I've got no more bronze players. Okay, I've got no more bronze players right now, lot. I think I sold some of them already, and others I used for the training transfer, for training my players in my team upgrade video. And I might have burned some players, some cards that were worth a lot of coins. But it is what it is. I can't really change it. We've got 64 overall. Garnacho right there, who is 279,000 coins as well. That's another easy coins, right? That's another very easy coins. 18,000 coins for Dale right there. Not sure why they are worth that much. Like 279k. That's a lot, right? That's a lot. Not sure, but they are. So we're gonna go ahead and take that. Let's see how much coins we already made. 850,000 coins, just like that. Just by selling some of my silver players, and some of them haven't even sold. Another 16k. And whenever you pack your silver players, pretty much go ahead and check all of them. Go ahead and check all of them, because you don't know which cards are worth a lot of coins, and now you can't which cards you can sell for a lot and make a lot of coins. Obviously, as I said, 10k, 20k, 30k is not a lot, but it's gonna add up over time. But also make sure to sell all your high overall players, or list all your high overall players, as I said, because at some point they're most likely gonna sell. You got Belotti right there. I'm gonna list him up. You got Lukaku. Belotti and Lukaku are probably gonna sell as well as I'm gonna list him up as well. I just need to take him out from my team. We got Turner and all the other cards. We got Højbjerg right there as well. Let's go ahead and check out my orders, because okay, I sold 90 overall Denho. Okay, I sold that card. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can make coins right now. And if you're asking me why I'm using Alvarez as a cam as well and Messi as a striker, that's because when I put Messi as a cam, he doesn't get any boost. Alvarez gets 16 boost, but Messi gets no boost. So I switch them up. Messi and Alvarez both gets 12 skill boost, but in game, whenever the game starts, before even the game starts, I'm switching them around and I'm playing like that. That's pretty much how I do it. Anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys, for today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. We've sold one more player. It's probably a silver card, and it is Tenyo. Okay, take care, goodbye, and peace.